Have you ever looked around and felt like everyone else received a manual for life except you? A manual for handling these failures, and manual for confidence, manual for relationships, manual for motherhood, manual for starting over, because I certainly didn't. Hi, I am Rahmat and welcome to Rahma Shift. Before I tell you what Rahma Shift is, let me tell you why it exists. Like many of you, I went to school, I earned the degrees, I learned theories, I did my exam, certification, but then real life happened. I entered the workplace and suddenly realized nobody had taught me how to handle the difficult conversations. Nobody taught me how to deal with the disappointment. And nobody even taught me how to navigate my own self doubt. Nobody taught me how to understand my emotions when life didn't go according to my plan. And as the years went by, I found myself asking a very deeper questions. Who am I? Why do I react the way I do? Why do some experiences stay with us for years? Why do we sometimes feel stuck even when everything looks okay from the outside? Am I the only one struggling with this? Then life even brought more and more situations, transitions like career changes, identity shifts, motherhood, like the moments that stretched me, moments that humbled me, moments that really made me question myself. And somewhere along that journey, I discovered coaching, emotional intelligence, and deeper self awareness. It actually felt at the beginning like I was missing a piece. And honestly, I went to shout, Eureka! You know why? Why? That is what I have been searching for. And it's not because that I found all the answers. It's because I finally found better questions. Questions that help me understand myself, questions that help me to grow, questions that help me to shift. And that's what is, or I would say that's where Rahma Shift was born. Rahma Shift is not about, it's not a brand of becoming a completely different person. Rather, I would say it's about becoming more aware of who you are already. It's about learning how your thoughts shapes your feelings, how your feelings influence your actions, and how small shifts can completely change your life. One thing you will hear me talk about often is about emotions, because many of us only know a few emotional words: happy, sad, angry, scared. Or we jump to the extremes, like I would say, like, I'm so stressed, I'm so depressed, hey, I'm overwhelmed. But there is so much in between, like disappointment, discouraged, lonely, frustrated, confused, hopeful, relieved, grateful. And naming our emotion is often the first step towards understanding ourselves. And understanding ourselves is often the first step towards changing our lives. So, what can you expect from this channel? Yeah. So, conversations about motherhood, confidence, life transitions, career breaks, personal growth, emotional intelligence, communication, resilience, identity. Oh, I know you're like, oh, so much of words. Oh, no, it's something much more deeper than those words. And the everyday challenges that nobody prepared for us. Most importantly, this is a place for people who are starting over, for people rebuilding, for people growing, for people who are searching, for people who wants to shift, Whether you are a student who failed an exam, a woman returning to work, a mother trying to rediscover herself, or simply someone asking, hey, what's next for me? And then, let me say your secret. You belong here because Rahma Shift believes in three simple words, that is, restart, rise, shine. Not all at once, but one small shift at a time. If this message resonates with you, subscribe to the channel. Join me on this journey because every episode is a conversation. Every episode is a lesson. I'm still learning myself, and every episode is an invention for us to grow together. Welcome to Rahma Shift. Let's make the shift together.